Welcome, plant enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of snake plants, those resilient beauties that add elegance to any space. Known for their striking appearance and low maintenance, snake plants are incredibly popular. But what if you want yours to grow even faster? If you're eager to see your snake plant flourish, you're in the right place. We'll share smart tricks to boost their growth. First, let's understand what makes these plants tick. Like all living things, snake plants have fundamental needs to truly thrive. They require the right balance of light, water, and nutrients from their soil. Getting these elements just right is key. Many believe snake plants need very little care, almost to the point of neglect. This is a common misconception. While they are hardy, ignoring their basic needs won't lead to fast, healthy growth. They still appreciate proper attention. Understanding their true requirements is the first step towards unlocking their full growth potential. Let's explore these needs. Our first trick focuses on lighting. Snake plants love bright, indirect light. This is their sweet spot for vigorous growth. Think of a north or east-facing window. These locations provide ample light without the harsh intensity of direct sun. Direct, intense sunlight, especially afternoon sun, can scorch their leaves. Look for yellowing or crispy brown edges. If you notice these signs, move your plant to a shadier spot immediately to prevent further damage. For those in low-light environments, don't despair. LED grow lights are an excellent solution. They provide the necessary spectrum for photosynthesis, ensuring your plant gets enough energy to grow even without natural light. Next up, proper watering techniques. This is crucial, as overwatering is a common killer of snake plants. The soak and dry method is your best friend. Water thoroughly until it drains from the bottom. Then allow the soil to completely dry out before watering again. You can check by sticking your finger about 2 inches deep. Seasonal adjustments are also vital. Snake plants need less water in winter when their growth slows down. Reduce your watering frequency significantly during colder months to prevent root rot and other issues. Finally, always use pots with drainage holes. This is non-negotiable for healthy snake plant growth. Standing water at the bottom of a pot will quickly lead to root rot, which can be fatal for your plant. Our third trick is all about the foundation, well-draining soil and proper potting. This is crucial for root health. Snake plants thrive in a gritty, well-aerated mix. A succulent or cactus mix is ideal, or you can create your own. Add perlite or coarse sand to regular potting soil to improve drainage and prevent compaction. This allows roots to breathe. When it comes to pot size, repot only when roots are visibly crowded. Snake plants prefer to be slightly root-bound. Avoid oversized pots as too much soil retains excess moisture, increasing the risk of root rot. Terracotta pots are excellent choices. Their porous nature allows for better airflow and helps wick away excess moisture. This natural ventilation is a huge benefit for snake plants, contributing to a healthier root environment. Trick number 4, fertilization. While snake plants aren't heavy feeders, a little boost can accelerate growth. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer, like a 10-10-10, diluted to half strength. This prevents nutrient overload. Fertilize only during the growing season, which is typically spring and summer. Once a month is usually sufficient. Avoid fertilizing in fall and winter when the plant is dormant. It won't utilize the nutrients and could lead to issues. Be cautious not to over-fertilize. Too much can lead to chemical burn, damaging the roots and leaves. Always follow the dilution instructions carefully to ensure your plant receives just the right amount of nutrients. Our fifth trick is propagation for bushier growth. This not only gives you more plants, but also encourages a fuller look. Leaf cuttings are a popular method. Simply cut a healthy leaf into sections, ensuring each piece has an up and down orientation. Allow the cuttings to callus for a few days, then place them in water or well-draining soil to root. Another method is rhizome division. For mature plants, you can gently separate the rhizomes to create new plants. This method is great for rejuvenating older plants and encouraging new growth from the separated sections. Propagation not only expands your collection, but also stimulates the parent plant to produce more pups, leading to a bushier plant. Our final trick is pest and disease management. Healthy plants are less susceptible, but it's good to be prepared. Common pests include mealybugs and spider mites. Inspect your plants regularly, especially the undersides of leaves. Good air circulation and proper watering are your best preventative measures against most issues. For treatment, simple solutions like neem oil or insecticidal soap can effectively combat most pests. Wipe down leaves with a damp cloth to remove dust and any potential pests, keeping your plant clean and healthy. And there you have it, 6 smart tricks to make your snake plant grow faster and healthier. From optimal lighting and proper watering to the right soil and occasional fertilization, each step contributes to vigorous growth. Don't forget the power of propagation for a fuller plant and diligent pest management for overall plant health. Apply these tips, and you'll soon enjoy a thriving, fast-growing snake plant that enhances your home. Snake plants are not just beautiful. They also purify the air, making them perfect companions for any indoor space. Their versatility allows them to fit into various placements, from bright corners to more shaded areas, adapting beautifully. If you found these tips helpful, please like this video, share it with fellow plant lovers, and subscribe for more plant care advice.